Hi dear students, welcome to my class. This is for 7th students and the chapter is acid, base and salts. Okay. From the last 3 to 4 videos we were discussed about indicators. Okay. What is meant by that indicators? Indicators are the chemical substances. This is the chemical or a special type of chemical substance. From this chemical substance, we have to find out the whether the solution is acidic or basic. Okay, this is what indicators. In indicators, we have studied that natural indicators. Okay, in that natural indicators, first one is litmus paper or litmus. After that, we have to study that turmeric. After turmeric, we have already studied the China rose petals. Okay, China rose petal. All these are in the last videos I am completed. So in this video, I am going to conduct an activity. So from the knowledge of all these indicators, so in this class I am giving or I am taking some chemicals. So from that chemicals, you have to tell us which one is acidic and which one is basic on the effect of both litmus, turmeric and also China rose petals. So in this class I am going to teach you the effects of indicators on the solutions. Okay. Okay, let's start the activity. So in the class or in the laboratory we have some chemicals. Okay, so first chemical is HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, dilute hydrochloric hydrochloric acid. So HCl means dilute hydrochloric acid. And H2SO4, H2SO4 means dilute, DIL, dilute sulfuric acid. And HNO3, this is a dilute nitric acid, and CH3COOH, the name is acetic acid. Okay, this NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Next NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. Next CaOH taken 2 times, that is calcium hydroxide, right now. So these are the chemicals. So in these chemicals, can you tell us which are the acids? So your name indicates acid. So hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid, acidic acids. These 4, HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, CH3COH, these are acids. Okay, these are acids. And remaining NaOH, sodium hydroxide, NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide, and 7th one calcium hydroxides. These are bases. Okay, these are bases. These are acids. Okay, so we know that in these compounds, these 3 are bases, and these 4 are acids. So in the last videos, I am already giving the information about effect of indicators. So I am going to recall all these techniques. So first I am going to recall this litmus paper. Okay, litmus paper. For acid, BRA, that means blue changes into red. That means blue colored litmus paper. Blue litmus paper, when dipped in the acidic solution, this changes into red color. BRA means blue to red, that we call as acid. Next base. So base means red litmus paper. Red litmus paper changes into blue color, then we call as base. Next is neutral solutions. So you know acidic solution and basic solution. What is this neutral solutions? Neutral solutions means these are the solutions in which when you dip blue litmus paper or and red litmus paper, both red litmus paper and the blue litmus paper, there is no change in their color. There is no change in their color of a litmus paper, that we call as a neutral. Neither acidic nor basic. These are neutral solutions. When these litmus papers dipped in a neutral solution, there is no change in color. No change in color. So please remember this trick, man. Okay, you have to remember this trick. BRA or BB. BRA means blue to red acid, or red to blue base, and in the neutral solution there is no change in color. Okay, so this is the tricks. Next is turmeric. Turmeric. Okay, when you dip the turmeric paper on acidic solutions, generally this turmeric is yellow in color. Okay, yellow in color. When you dip the turmeric paper in acidic solution, there is no change in color. That's why I am writing I written this as yellow. There is no change in turmeric, no change with the acidic solution. Remain unchanged their color, it is yellow. In the same way, when turmeric paper dipped in the base solution or basic solution, so generally this yellow in color, turmeric paper yellow in color, that changes into red color. Yellow color is changes into red color when this paper, yellow turmeric paper dipped in basic solution, the color changes into yellow to red. Okay, next neutral. In this, when this turmeric paper dipped in neutral solution, here also there is no change in color, only remains yellow color. Okay, next is China rose petals. China rose petals. This is the third natural indicator right now. So when this China rose indicator, you have to remember a trick. In this acid litmus paper sema, blue to red acid, red to blue base, neutral no change. In turmeric acid no change, base yellow to red, in neutral no change. In China rose acid if this China rose water or China rose petals dipped in acidic solution, the light yellow solutions. So generally this China rose is a light pink color. Okay na? When you dip this or when you mix with the light pink China rose petal with the acidic, it changes into dark pink. Changes into dark pink. When this China rose or a light pink colored China rose petals is changes into dark pink, then you have to call as that is acid. Okay. Next is base. Next is base. When this China rose solution, that is a light pink color, when mixed with the basic solution, that changes into green color. Green color. Okay na? This is what your trick. So if you remember this trick, you can easily answer effects of all indicators on any compounds. Okay, so please remember this this table. Okay, so next come here. I am already told the effects of indicators. In this I am giving first one is effect on litmus paper. Whether that litmus paper, whether may be blue litmus paper or maybe red litmus paper. Okay, next is effect on turmeric paper. Effect on turmeric paper. Next is effect on China rose solution. Effect on China rose solution. Okay. Next. So first I am taking a name of the compounds. First I am taking a test tube. In this test tube I am taking a dilute hydrochloric acid. Dilute hydrochloric acid. In this dilute hydrochloric acid, first I am going to check this litmus paper. I am taking a blue litmus paper. I am taking blue litmus paper and dipped in this solution. So what happens, ma? That blue color is changes into red color. Blue is changes into red color. Then we call as acid. Then we call as acid. Okay. In this I am taking, in this test tube I am taking this dilute hydrochloric acid. If you dip the blue litmus paper in this blue litmus paper changes into red color, then we call as that one is acidic solution. If it is, if this I am taking instead of blue litmus paper, I am taking red litmus paper. Red litmus paper. Okay. So if I dip this in this hydrochloric acid, red litmus paper, red litmus paper. Is there any change, ma? No change. Okay, no change with the red litmus paper. No change with the red litmus paper. Okay, so you have to remember this. Next, in turmeric paper. What on turmeric paper? See here. Here acid, hydrochloric acid is there now here. So first I am taking in this hydrochloric acid, this test tube hydrochloric acid. Instead of this litmus paper, I am taking turmeric paper. Turmeric paper. Turmeric paper. Generally, this turmeric paper is a yellow in color. Which color, ma? Yellow in color. When this yellow turmeric paper dipped in hydrochloric acid, is there any change, ma? No change. No change. No change. See, in this yellow only, no change in color. When turmeric paper dipped in acidic solution, there is no change in color. You have to remember. In the same solution, I am taking hydrochloric acid. If reacts with a China rose solution, see here, China rose solution, what happens when acid reacts with a China rose solution, the light pink is changes into dark pink. Okay, so write on this table. Okay, first I am taking litmus paper, when red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. So blue, first I am taking blue litmus paper. So blue litmus paper, blue is changes into red color. So I am taking next is red litmus paper. Red litmus paper, no change in color. No change in color. Next, effect on turmeric, no change. That means yellow. No change. Yellow. Next, effect on China rose solution, dark pink. LP means light pink to DP means dark pink. Dark pink. Okay, light pink to dark pink. Okay, next, sulfuric acid. That means all acids carries the same answer. All acids carries same answer. So this sulfuric acid where same blue is changes into red color and red does not change into blue. Okay, this is no change. The same effect, no change. No change. That means yellow color remains. Yellow color here also same, here also same. Okay, here also same answers. Light pink to dark pink. Okay, light pink to dark pink, same. Okay, so why? Because I am writing a same symbol. Why? Because all these are acids. Okay, next NaOH, sodium hydroxide. So next I am taking one more test tube. In this test tube I am taking a base, that is NaOH. Like NaOH, calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. You can take many potassium hydroxide, many bases also. So when base reacts with litmus paper, which litmus paper? Red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. So generally we know that blue to red acidic. So that means blue litmus paper, no change in color. Then red litmus paper change into blue color. Red litmus paper, if we take red litmus paper and dip in this NaOH solution, this red litmus paper is changes into blue color. Then we call it, that is base. Okay, same answer for the ammonium hydroxide also and calcium hydroxide also. Okay, in the next is effect on a turmeric paper. So see, turmeric paper bases right now. So yellow to red. So generally this NaOH, NH4OH, calcium hydroxide are bases. So when already this is yellow in color. Effect on turmeric paper. That turmeric paper is yellow in color. If they are deep in basic solutions, NaOH, KOH or NH4OH, calcium hydroxide, this yellow color is changes into red color. So all the bases same answer. Next is effect of China rose solution. Light pink to green color. Light pink to green. Why? Because these are bases. Light pink to green color. LP means light pink to green. LP means light. P means L means light. P means pink. Light pink to green colors. So this is our class activity of effect on indicators on some compounds or some chemicals. Okay. The next class we will discuss a very important concept, that is acid rain. Okay. Thank you.